Hello, my science lovers. Today is Science Minute Monday. I'm going to talk to you why black holes aren't black. So let's jump into this. Black holes likely emit a type of radiation. Now that would be pretty close to thermal radiation, so we can't really see it so well. Now, it's called Hawking radiation, and if you notice that name, that would be from Stephen Hawking. Now, Hawking radiation involves particles being pulled into the black hole and joined by virtual antiparticles. Usually they're destroyed, but sometimes these two halves, particle and antiparticle, cancel each other out almost instantly, and then they can pop outside the event horizon, and then this translates to a form of radiation. So let's look at this particular individual. This guy is called Jess Steinhauer. That's his name. He's in Israel. Now, he published a paper last year involving his black hole machine. Now, this machine doesn't actually generate black holes, but it uses rubidium atoms to show a form of matter called Bose-Einstein. This radiation can be observed by human eyes. It uses lasers to create a sonic atom waterfall. Now, phonons, which are units of sound, don't escape past the waterfall, but he was able to successfully manage to show that this radiation can happen. So why is this particular thing important? Let's take a look. The reason for this is because since we can't actually get out to black holes necessarily like we would like and see this, we have to use what are called analog experiments. And these particular analog experiments that simulate similar situations to that of a black hole allow us greater insight into what exactly these types of particles could do. So, even though he didn't use an actual black hole, these analogies like this experiment are useful to help us have a better understanding of what goes on with them. And this radiation is observable, which is pretty cool, which gives Dr. Hawking a bit more background and, gives his theory a bit more credibility, so that's pretty awesome. So that has been Black Holes Aren't Necessarily Black. So I want to thank my patrons, Tony, Anonymous, Jen, Carl, Anthony, Patrick, and Tony. Thank you for helping me out on my Patreon. I update rewards all the time, and sometimes they change where you get all kinds of new different things that are available just to my patrons on Patreon. You can find me everywhere except YouTube, Science Email. That's the only one that's different. And I hope you've enjoyed Science Minute Monday. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.